Hi guys, I'm really stressed out today because I was gonna upload a video for this week, and in the morning when I started to upload the video, there was no sound in the video. And I don't know what happened, I don't know where the audio files went, but unfortunately, there won't be any video tomorrow, and I don't know what to do because I don't have the time to shoot and upload by tomorrow. So I'm so sorry, but something has gone horribly wrong with my video files, and I don't know how to fix it yet. I apologize in advance, but I will definitely be linking a lot of my videos from last year, which I think you would like in the links in my bio. So do go and check those out. But I'm devastated right now that I have no video for tomorrow and I've already shot a video. I'm really sorry about that, and I will try and fix it as soon as possible. But if I am not able to, then there will be no video tomorrow. I hope you understand that sometimes technical issues get in the way of uploading a video, but I know all of you. I think I know you quite well, and I know you're going to be with me. And so, enough of the stress. I just wanted to let you know what has happened, and I'm stressed already, as you can tell. But I love you guys for being with me. And you know what? I'll link in a video that I did last year and I really liked it. It was a makeup look by Kaushal and it turned out really well. And I'm going to link that, and please watch it and let me know if you like that video or not. I would really appreciate it.